Welcome back to Nail the Next Step. Today we're addressing something many immigrant professionals silently struggle with: imposter syndrome. If you've ever felt like you don't truly belong or doubted your abilities, you're not alone, and we're here to help. Meet Daniela, a talented immigrant professional who constantly felt inadequate despite her achievements. Her story, struggles, and eventual success offer valuable insights and hope. Ready to reclaim your professional confidence? Let's start by clearly defining imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is that uncomfortable feeling of being a fraud despite clear achievements. It often arises when you doubt your own abilities, fearing others will eventually discover you're not as capable as they thought. Common symptoms include chronic self-doubt, attributing successes to luck, difficulty accepting praise, and persistent fear of failure. Daniela, a highly qualified engineer from Brazil, struggled deeply with imposter syndrome, often feeling inadequate despite her proven expertise. Imposter syndrome severely impacted Daniela's confidence, limiting her potential. Her self-doubt prevented her from speaking up and taking new opportunities. The first powerful step is awareness. Recognize when these imposter feelings surface. Noticing patterns helps you actively address negative thoughts. Challenge negative thoughts by questioning their validity. Ask yourself, is this thought truly accurate, or am I undermining my own abilities? Regularly record your achievements, no matter how small. Reflecting on these regularly reinforces your worth and reduces self-doubt. Connect with a mentor who understands your experiences. Support from someone who believes in your abilities helps significantly. Share your experiences with trusted colleagues or friends. Opening up about imposter syndrome can relieve pressure and normalize the experience. Understand that nobody is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. Accepting imperfections reduces anxiety and increases resilience. Develop daily affirmations that highlight your strengths and remind you of your value. Positive self-talk transforms your mindset. Positive and supportive peers strengthen your confidence. Surround yourself with people who recognize your worth. Regularly updating your skills through workshops or courses reinforces genuine confidence and competence. Visualization is powerful. Regularly imagining successful outcomes builds confidence and reduces anxiety. Gradually step outside your comfort zone with manageable tasks to build resilience and confidence steadily. Finding value in these tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below how imposter syndrome has affected you or how you plan to overcome it. Deepening your self-awareness helps identify emotional triggers and prepares you to manage imposter feelings proactively. Constructive feedback is an opportunity to grow, not criticism of your worth. Learn to distinguish feedback from personal attacks. Professional coaches can guide you through overcoming deep-rooted imposter syndrome, offering personalized strategies. If imposter syndrome significantly impacts your mental health, consider seeking professional counseling or therapy. Establish clear boundaries at work, knowing your limits. Avoid unnecessary stress by clearly communicating your capabilities and expectations. A growth mindset transforms how you perceive challenges. Rather than viewing setbacks as failures, see them as valuable opportunities to learn, evolve, and become stronger. Think of successful professionals you admire. They likely faced countless obstacles before achieving their goals. By consciously adopting a growth-oriented perspective, every professional setback becomes a stepping stone toward greater success and confidence. As an immigrant professional, your cultural heritage is not a barrier. It's your unique competitive advantage. Embrace your diverse experiences and insights as assets in your professional environment. Share your background proudly in meetings, presentations, or team-building exercises. Your multicultural understanding brings valuable perspectives, enriching teams and making you a more versatile and insightful professional. The conversation you have internally shapes your confidence and professional identity. Start actively noticing negative self-talk patterns. Thoughts like, "I don't belong here," or "I'm not good enough." Each time such thoughts arise, consciously replace them with affirmations highlighting your accomplishments and abilities. Consistent positive self-dialogue transforms your mindset, strengthening your resilience against imposter feelings. Make reflection a regular part of your professional routine. Keep a dedicated journal or digital log to consistently document your achievements, no matter how small. Each success matters, from effectively handling a challenging project, receiving positive client feedback, or simply completing a productive day. Regular reflections reinforce your worth and steadily build your confidence. Professional accountability partnerships provide invaluable support and encouragement. Regularly scheduled check-ins with trusted colleagues or peers create structured opportunities to discuss progress, challenges, and successes openly. These partnerships not only foster mutual motivation, but also provide external perspectives that can objectively counteract imposter syndrome. Mindfulness and stress management techniques profoundly influence professional confidence. Incorporating regular mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga into your daily routine significantly reduces anxiety. These practices improve mental clarity, enhance your emotional resilience, and empower you to approach professional situations with greater calm and confidence. Never underestimate the connection between physical well-being and mental health. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly can dramatically improve your cognitive function, mood, and overall sense of well-being. A physically healthy lifestyle contributes significantly to professional productivity, focus, and confidence, making it easier to combat feelings of inadequacy or stress. Celebrating small victories isn't trivial. It's essential for sustained motivation and professional satisfaction. Acknowledge each success explicitly, whether it's completing a challenging task, receiving positive feedback, or overcoming a difficult day. Consistent recognition of these small milestones builds momentum, fosters positivity, and gradually weakens the grip of imposter syndrome. Achieving and maintaining a healthy work-life balance is vital in managing professional stress and feelings of inadequacy. Clearly separating work responsibilities from personal life allows regular time for relaxation and rejuvenation. Consistently protecting your personal time boosts mental health, reduces anxiety, and significantly improves your ability to perform effectively and confidently at work. Regularly seeking and receiving professional validation helps anchor your confidence in real, objective assessments of your abilities. Schedule periodic meetings or feedback sessions with managers, colleagues, or mentors. Constructive feedback not only provides reassurance, but also offers clear guidance for ongoing improvement, reinforcing your value and expertise in your professional environment. True professional confidence comes when your career aligns closely with your personal values and purpose. Regularly evaluate your professional choices, ensuring they resonate deeply with what you genuinely value and aspire to achieve personally. This alignment reduces internal conflict, boosts job satisfaction, and provides a deeper sense of fulfillment, making it significantly easier to overcome self-doubt and imposter feelings. Today, you've learned to recognize, manage, and overcome imposter syndrome. Through actionable strategies and examples, you have the power to rewrite your professional story. Embrace your skills confidently. You've earned your place at the table. Download your free Smarter Job Search Guide below. It's filled with powerful tools to confidently navigate your professional journey. Looking to continue growing professionally and personally? Don't miss our next video, How to Write a Winning LinkedIn Profile in 5 Easy Steps. Thank you for watching Nail the Next Step, your guide to confidently nailing every career step. Remember, you belong here. See you next time.